Hi there, I'm going to show you how to restring your 6-2 AutoCut head, which you might have on your FSA 86 Strimmer. So the great part about this head is it's designed that you can restring it on the Strimmer, so you don't need to take it off, which is great. First thing you have to do when your spool is completely empty is make sure that the arrows on the white part of the Strimmer head line up with the arrows on the black part, and then just grab your new Strimmer line. Between 3 and 4 meters should do it, and push it all the way through the head. So pull that all the way through until there's an equal amount on both sides. Once you're there, all you have to do is twist the white part. It shows you on the white part, the arrows show you which way to spin it. So all you're doing is turning that, which then pulls in your new line. Once you've wound that all the way in, you can cut any excess off to make sure that it's not going to hit your Strimmer guard, and then you're ready to go. If you need any more spare parts like this, come and see us at Fraser Robb's. We've got plenty in stock.